All right, let's talk about something a lot of us overlook, using that trusty 9-to-5 job as a launch pad for real wealth. Your day job doesn't have to be a dead end. It can actually be your best financial ally, if you know how to play your cards right. Let's break it down. 3 practical ways to use your job to build wealth. First up, maximize your income. Don't just coast at work. Take on new responsibilities, volunteer for projects, make yourself indispensable. When you add consistent value, you're in a stronger position to ask for raises or promotions. And trust me, those salary bumps add up fast over time. Small increases compound, especially when you keep pushing. Make a plan and track it. Second, get smart with your spending. Just because your paycheck grows doesn't mean your expenses should too. Live below your means. Automate saving a chunk of every paycheck, even if it's small at first. Over time, that discipline builds an emergency fund and seed money for investing. Start with an emergency cushion, then scale up. Third, invest in you. Use some of your 9-to-5 income to pick up new skills. Get certifications that increase your market value, or channel that income into a side hustle. Plan small, test ideas, and reinvest profits back into growth. Leverage spare time. Not all side hustles need massive upfront spend. The goal is to make yourself more valuable so your income options widen. That leverage comes from skills, reputation, and small compounding wins. Small steps now can lead to big wins later. Remember, raises are great, but lifestyle inflation eats gains fast. Automate, prioritize debt payoff, then invest the rest. Think long-term. Time is one of your biggest assets. Across careers, these 3 moves show up again and again. Celebrate milestones. They keep momentum alive. Treat your 9-to-5 like an engine. Feed it strategy and discipline. 1, maximize income, add value, ask for raises, earn promotions. 2, spend smart, automate savings, and avoid lifestyle inflation. 3, invest in you, skills, certs, and tested side hustles. Keep hustling, stay intentional, and be consistent. Leverage community. Mentors and colleagues accelerate progress. Make a 90-day plan, 3 actions you can start this week. Your job can be the vehicle, but you choose the route. Make moves every paycheck. Even small ones compound. Small steps now lead to big wins later. So don't just work for your money. Make your job work for you. Keep hustling, stay intentional. See you in the next one. Subscribe for more practical money moves.